Hello, it's me, Nazario. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing and assembling the HIMIWAY Big Dog. Now this is a bike that I'm excited for. As you can see, 80 miles on a charge. This is definitely obviously what it says. One of the big dogs. So thanks HIMIWAY for sending it out for review. Much appreciated. And this is how it's gonna look when it's done. All right, now let's get it unboxed and assembled. Got it busted open. I already can tell. It's got this beautiful gray that I love. It's gonna be a nice paint job. Looks like I'm gonna try to take this box out first, so we gotta cut the strap and pull it out. I got that one box clipped out, opened it, and coming to find, it's a really big battery. Now that is a beefy battery. That's the battery of a big dog. Charge port. Alright, well let's find the accessory box and get this bad boy charged up. Alright, put the battery aside. Try to see what else we can take out. That pretty much looks like it's pretty tight in there, pretty good. Yeah, there's a lot of straps to get that out. Looks like I'm just gonna have to pull the whole thing out. Time to test out my pull-out game. Pull-out game still on point. Yeah, I'm just kidding. I ripped it out the side, pulled it out straight. Now time to take all the packaging off. All right, out of breath, but got it all taken off. Front tire, fender, handlebars need to go on, pedals need to go on, and then looks about it. Everything else looks like it's pretty assembled. Let's take a look at what's in this box so we can get that battery plugged in. All right, let's see what's in the accessory box. Oh, we got a new HIMIWAY hat. Let's take off the old. Woo! Oh, don't mind the hair. Don't mind the dew. Put on the new. All right. For the front fork, front tire, the axle. A nice little wrench. Owner's manual. This. You want to put that right there. Protect your shifter. Pedals. You'll end up wanting to pop them bad boys right there and make a nice and black sleek look. No covers. We have the headlight and tool set, Rock Rose tool set. So that's gonna last a little while. You wanna put that in your bike bag. Take it with you everywhere you go, just be safe. Always keep tools with you. And then last but not least, you gotta get that charger out. Start charging that battery. Labeled HIMIWAY charger, easy plug-in, and let's go plug it in. All right, got it plugged in, and easy insert. Light turns red, and it'll turn green when it's done charging. Let's go assemble. All right, handlebars, calling my name. Let's get that done first. Popped on. Remember, not too tight, because you want to adjust it later, so just put it on so we can deal with it. Alright, got the handlebars on. Remember, you don't got to tighten it all the way because you will be adjusting it once you get the tire on and you actually step on the bike. Next, let's put the tire on. One thing I need to point out, we did get a broken holder for the fender. So we'll see how it works. If we'll put it on, maybe we won't put it on for now until we get a replacement part for that. But yeah, let's get the tire on. Alright, so we got a small spacer on this side, big spacer on that side. Big spacer will go towards the rim, small spacer will go towards the disc. So we're gonna slide it through. And then small spacer, washer, and then nut. And then the fork will go right here, and then the fork will go right here. So in between the spacer and the washer. And then we'll just pop this off, and is it a pop off? To be continued. Alright, important to note, you're gonna want to line that disc up right there with the brake pads, and then you also want to make sure those spacers and washers get lined up perfectly. Alright, that's lined up nicely. Then this is lined up nicely, and then I'll just get the next side, and it'll be movie magic 'cause I need 2 hands. Alright, nice and tight, just like I like it. Now let's get that fender on. And it should hold up pretty good, even with that crack on there. Should just hold those into place, and then the headlight will go right on there too. Same screw. Alright, headlight on first, fender holder on next, washer, nut, and then you gotta twist that nut nice and tight.
Alright, so next we're gonna attach the light right there. You gotta make sure you don't bend them pins. Alright, as you can see, you just gotta line these arrows up. Pretty simple and press together. Alright, now let's get these neck screws in.
Alright, well I did the best what I could with a little broken holder. This side should be holding up fine, and up there should be holding up fine. Box took a hit. Shipping, that happens. And we got a little scratch-a-rooney down there. Still gotta do pedals, but right now, let's do the derailleur guard. My bob. Ta-da! Just like magic. Now, it's protected. Pedal time. Let's put the pedal to the metal. Pedals are labeled L and R, so you can put them on properly. Make sure you tie it nice and tight because you don't want the pedal popping off while you're riding. Especially if you're going to put your weight down when you're trying to take off or something. So let's get to twisting. Clockwise for one, counterclockwise for the other. Putting brakes on can be confusing, so Himiway took a step forward and labeled it. Twist that way. Because that one's going to be counterclockwise, while that one is labeled as well. Arrow pointing that way. I'm thinking, yeah, you're just twisting forward each time, so you can think of it that way. Alright, so we're gonna put some air in the tires. There's reflectors to put on if you choose to. Pop the battery back in and take it for a spin-a-rooney. You guys know what spin-a-rooney's from? Comment if you know what that's from. Alright, I already got on it. Tested it. Got it exactly where I wanted it, so I tightened it up. Always make sure you tighten it up. Tires are inflated. Let's pop the battery in and turn it on. See how it looks. Give it a little quick spin while the back tire's up, and then we'll take it out. And you'll see all that done right about now. All right. There's a little connectors down there. That's how you know that's the bottom. I'm gonna pop that in. Trial and error. Key's got to be switched open, and then you just pop it closed, and then lock the key to lock the battery in place. Because that is one big heavy battery. You don't want that popping out when you hit a bump. And then when you take it out, you twist, and then you hit the little knob down here, and it'll make sure you catch it. 2 hands, please. All right, now let's take a look at how it looks turned on. 0.9 miles. This is not new at all. All right, I'm gonna take it out. Oh, let's first give it a test. All right, everything looks nice and smooth. Integrated brake light. Love that. Huge. Blinks on. All right, taking it out for a spin. All right, off we go. Woo! Pedal assist 1. What are you doing? That was pretty strong. Took off really fast. Be careful. Pretty sure Himiway has settings where you can change pedal assist 1. Not 100% sure, but usually in here you'll probably see something online. I'm not going to do it, but someone else will walk you through it. Pedal assist 1 looks like it's kind of capping out at 11. Bump it up. Woo! You don't see it, but yeah, that jerked me backwards. Always make sure you ride a bike with 2 hands. Especially a bike like this that has a lot of power. That big battery don't play. Looks like pedal assist 2 is capping out at 14. Let's bump it up 3. And every pedal assist, you get a big boost. So that goes to 18 on 3. Yeah. Hey, there's a little jerk if you keep pedaling the whole time when you bump it up. So be careful. Let's see where this caps out at. 4. 4 is going to 21. Alright, let's go to 5. I don't know if it's going any faster. 5. Yeah, it'll probably just help you going uphill. I'm going downhill right now, so it's probably going to cap at 22. Oh, 23. Going downhill. 24. I feel like I got this Himiway hat. Yeah, this big dog's got a lot of power. If this is your first e-bike, make sure you be very, very careful. especially when doing U-turns. You got that pedal assist on and you're turning around, your instinct is to turn at a very, very slow speed and then turn your tire and pedal through. And yeah, you pedal through, it's gonna power up on you, so you gotta be very careful. Usually beginners might get that almost fall or actually fall, so just be careful on U-turns. Alright, I'm in a nice little path. Now that's a strong bike. Hey, I didn't do throttle only. Let's try that out real quick. Switch hands. Let's put throttle on 1. Some bikes give you all the power and some will do it gradually. This looks like you get full power on twist, no matter what pedal assist you're on. Alright, so yeah, twist gives you full power. Alright, that's my 1 mile test ride. Might need to switch hands to put that kickstand down. Gotta grab the back. Kick, pull it back. Alright, well, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Comment any questions you might have. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Really appreciate the view. Really appreciate the like. And just a heads up, the subscribe button is 100% free. So give me a subscribe if you want to see more unboxing and reviews. I do bikes, I do other things too. I got a couple accessory videos too. Some have coupon codes, promo codes, and links just to get to the product that you're looking at. This, you'll also see the link at the bottom. Alright, also you'll see a video probably about here, or another video right about here. Check those out. Otherwise, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Love you. Till next time.